Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. At the range now, we've got the Glock 43X 10-round magazine. Let's see how it does. All right. Feels just like the regular Glock 43. It does have a 3.41-inch barrel, but it does have the 10 rounds in the magazine. That is the big draw to the Glock 43X. The magazine is wider, so it's not interchangeable with the original Glock 43, but it's 10 rounds, and I think that's a big deal. And you know, opposed to the 6 with the original Glock 43. NPD coating on the slide, and it does have front serrations. Also the orange follower there. So the trigger pull I measure right at 5.5 pounds, which is good because that's what the website says, but not all Glocks measure at that trigger pull. But it does have a nice 3-finger contact grip, which I do appreciate. I do like the front serrations because I am one of those guys that does a press check every now and again. Let's try that again with the 43X. All right, not bad. I like the mag capacity. Many people said, you know, if this carries 10 rounds, why bother with a Glock 26? And I get that idea. You know, that carries 10 rounds. It's a little fatter, shorter gun, right around the same barrel length. There's a little difference there, but you know, it's very thin. Now the grip is wider than the original Glock 43, and the magazine's a little wider, as I mentioned. But you know, at 22.75 pounds loaded, I think that's pretty good. I measured the Glock 26 about 3 ounces heavier. So here you're getting a lighter gun, a thinner gun with a full 3-finger contact. I think it's pretty nice, and I actually like that coating on the slide. I've got regular ball ammo here, 115 grain target loads from Ammo Incorporated. Let's try it one more time. Try to move a little faster here. This is where I tend to jump the trigger a little bit. I'll try not to do that and show some discipline. Come on. All right. 15 yards away, Glock 43X. So there it is, Glock 43X. I have to believe this gun is going to do very well for Glock. People like the mag capacity, and every time Glock puts out a new handgun, people have their initial impressions about that, and I completely get it. You know, everybody wants to know, you know, is it the gun for them? And this will not just hit a niche market, but that 10 rounds, and people who love Glock will feel the need to get this. I heard a lot of people tell me they really want to get this. Every time Glock puts out a new model, they sell like crazy. I remember the Glock 42 came out, people were disappointed it was in 380, and yet there were waiting lists at the local gun store. Look at the Glock 19X. Everybody had an opinion about that, and that gun sold over 100,000 models in the first 6 months. That's pretty amazing. I think this will do very well. I think the Glock 48 will do very well, and we'll have to see if you get one and if you enjoy it and feel like it makes for a great carry choice. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.